Yo guys, welcome back to another banger. Today, I've got something crazy for all my Murder Mystery 2 players, the best MM2 script for Overdrive H, fully working in 2025. This one comes stacked with silent aim, auto shoot, and even a built-in round timer, so you'll always know when the round's about to end and clutch up like a pro. And it works on all executors, like you can see here him using Codex, but it also works on Arceus X, Hydrogen, or whatever you're rocking. No key, just copy and paste the script and boom, you're in. So let's start with our tutorial video. First of all, open your browser, whatever will work. In my case, I'm going to use Safari and head to the website where we're going to get the MM2 script. I will leave the link on the screen. Once you're there, search for MM2 mod. It will appear first of the list. Click on the download button, scroll all the way down, and as you can see, it will ask you to choose your device. If you're on iOS, choose iOS. Other devices choose Android. The download should start automatically, but in some cases it might ask you to complete a real quick human verification. All you need to do is completing like 2 easy offers, and that's all. The download should start automatically, and you can start enjoying your MM2 games with this script, and that's all for today's video. If it works for you, hit that like button, drop a sub, and if you face a problem, let me know in the comments. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.